Turmeric, Curcuma longa, perennial herbaceous plant of the ginger family, Zingiberaceae, the tuberous rhizomes, or underground stems, of which have been used from antiquity as a condiment, a textile dye, and medically as an aromatic stimulant. Turmeric is known to have antibiotic properties and contains a chemical compound known as curcumin that has the ability to get absorbed in the fat and tissues of our body. When we add this to the milk, it creates a perfect medium through which curcumin travels fast to those fats and tissues, making its absorption smoother. This combination of turmeric and milk is also an effective remedy to prevent many health-related issues. Here are some health benefits of having the golden turmeric milk every day. 1. Purifies blood. First of the main benefits of turmeric milk is that it purifies the blood. Having this milk can help boost the blood circulation and cleanses the blood vessels and lymphatic system from all impurities. 2. Prevents cancer. Curcumin in turmeric is found to be effective in killing cancer cells and limiting their ability to spread and damage the DNA. Having turmeric milk regularly can help prevent cancer growth in the initial stages. 3. Promotes digestion. Anti-inflammatory properties present in the turmeric milk helps manage digestive issues by promoting digestion, preventing stomach ulcers and diarrhea. Bloating, gas, heartburn and other gastrointestinal infections can also be treated with a cup of milk with turmeric every day. 4. Improves reproductive health. The antispasmodic property of turmeric milk benefits the women by easing the menstrual pains and normalizing the menstrual cycle. In addition to this, turmeric milk is also said to be beneficial in leukorrhea, endometriosis, fibroids, and for women with hormonal imbalances. Having this golden milk benefits the women of all ages and boosts the female reproductive health. 5. Remedy for cough and cold. Due to antiviral and antibacterial property, turmeric milk is an effective remedy for cough and cold and relieves sore throat. Having warm turmeric milk increases the mucus production which flushes out the microbes from the respiratory tract. 6. Fights respiratory issues. Turmeric milk helps eliminate any pathogens or infectious agents from the respiratory system. Being antimicrobial, it fights against bacterial and viral infections. It is an effective remedy for asthma, bronchitis, and also provides quick relief from sinus and lung congestion. 7. Aids weight loss. Yes, turmeric milk does help lose weight. As turmeric contains dietary fiber, having milk with turmeric prevents weight gain by helping you get rid of the extra fat deposited in your body. 7. Promotes good sleep. Promoting good sleep is another well-known health benefit of the golden turmeric milk. It produces amino acid, tryptophan, and thus having it warm in at night before bed helps you relax, calm the mood, and thus promotes an undisturbed sleep all night. 8. Relieves joint pains. Turmeric is known as a natural aspirin in Ayurvedic medicine and therefore relieves all kind of aches, swelling, and pain. Presence of calcium in the turmeric milk also helps in strengthening the joints and keeps the bones healthy. Having this milk a daily basis can avoid osteoporosis and arthritis in future. 9. Adds glow to the skin. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric milk fights against aging, acne, scars, skin eruptions, and eczema. Having turmeric milk smoothen your skin, removes fine lines, lightens the blemishes, and helps your skin to glow naturally.
Ito na po yung turmeric milk natin. Golden milk.
Negative effects of turmeric usually does not cause significant side effects. However, some people can experience stomach upset, nausea, dizziness, or diarrhea. In one report, a person who took very high amounts of turmeric, over 1,500 milligrams twice daily, experienced a dangerous abnormal heart rhythm. Thanks for watching Papanin's blog. Until next video.